Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you our portable hardness tester. Model number is TD3. These are some paperworks, test certificates, quiz access guide, and operation manual. This is the main unit of hardness tester, and these are some accessories. First of all, I'm going to show you our D-type impact device. With this impact device, we have a cleaning brush and one supporting ring. Here we have a mini thermal printer. This printer will work no wireless. There is no need of USB transmission. This is a calibration block for D-type impact device. Here we have a charger, and these two are rechargeable batteries. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to use this machine. Simply, as you can see, this is main screen, power on and off key, socket for the D-impact device, and a USB transmission. These are the keyboards. First of all, I'm going to on this case, press on and off key. The device is on. Simply insert this cable. You can find a dot over here and a red dot over here. Just match these two red dots. Okay. At the screen you can see these are some functions: measuring, archive, memory, information, setting, everything. First of all, we will go to the measurement mode. Press the enter key, and the device is ready for the measurement. Let me change the mode first of all. Okay, so I'm going to test this hardness block. Simply load this D-impact device and put this impact device on the calibration block and release the load. Sorry, let me change the scale first of all. We need to check it on HL. Okay, I'm going to test it again. (804) and this block is 801. Quite close reading. You can find the minimum maximum values over here. Minimum maximum values 804 HL value. Okay, I'm going to show you that how we can print the current reading. Simply on this printer, I'm going to take up another reading. Okay, it's 807. Simply press this enter key and you will get a printout over here. See, (750, 804, 807). Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. For more NIT videos, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.